Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes of 3.
Today we're going to talk about time management skills.
So this goes right along with a recent 3 at 3 about, routines, right? The importance of keeping a routine in business. So time management skills are something that it takes a long time to develop for some people, and then some people, they pick it up pretty darn quick. But it is a learned trait. It's not necessarily something you're born with.
Right.
It is a learned. It's a habit. It has to be habit forming. Some of the things that you can do to better help your time management throughout your day is always be thinking of, is there something else I can be doing at the same time that I'm doing this task? Could I be talking on the phone to somebody who I needed to give a call back? Could I be telling Siri to, or Alexa to take and write out an email for me to somebody I needed to email back while I'm busy carving this wood handle? Sometimes there's good times for focusing, but then there's, time management will dictate that you have to kind of multitask while you're doing your day.
Yeah. There's this thing that women are natural multitaskers, right? And I've actually found this to be quite difficult. Roy and I had this discussion. Yeah, we've had this discussion quite recently, actually. And sometimes I get very focused on what I'm doing, and I lose track of time. I lose track of, what other things are happening in the house and what my upcoming activities need to be. And when that happens, then more frequently than not, I find myself that I'm off the schedule where I need to be. So, whether I've missed making dinner or, it's time to go somewhere and now we haven't had the time to get the children ready or something like that. So it's very important too, for a time management skill, to be aware of what your priorities are, like right now, and then if you have any certain checkpoints during the day that you have to meet a certain timeline to have those in mind continually.
Yeah, and this may seem kind of daunting at first, but it's really not. If you are a single person and you have nobody to upkeep but yourself, it doesn't matter when dinner's made. It doesn't matter when you eat lunch. It just doesn't matter even if you get clothed for the day. If you're just sitting in your boxers or your underlooms or whatever you are doing, that doesn't necessarily matter to you so much. But if there's other people relying on you for their scheduling, this is something that you have to take note of. If you know that it takes 45 minutes to cook your dinner, then you need to start at 45 minutes ahead. That means you need to put that as a deadline for yourself, because then that means that's going to take priority over what it is that you're working on now. Because what you'll find is if you don't implement good time management skills, your days will just keep getting longer and longer and longer and longer, and the whole system will come crumbling down. They'll spiral out of control. So set little time blocks, set the immovable time blocks in your day, and then picture all the other movable time blocks and get done what you can between those points. And that should help you out. So that's it for this 3 at 3. Thank you all for being here.
Thanks for joining us.
And as always, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.